You're floating near a black hole, a silent spinning giant, surrounded by a glowing storm of plasma. Its accretion disk burns, orange-red. Stars in the distance begin to warp, stretch, distort. And suddenly, you fall in. No warning, just gravity. The universe twists around you. Light bends. Space folds like a sheet of fire and glass. There's no alarm, no flash of light, just silence. You've crossed the event horizon, the point of no return. Inside, reality twists. The laws of physics start to break. Time stretches, space curves. Everything begins to fall inward. Outside, billions of years might pass, but to you, it feels still. Galaxies spin in fast forward, but inside, you float, untouched. Time distorts, reality fractures. Constellations blur like melting stars. You are nowhere and everywhere, surrounded by curved light and infinite dark. You reach the edge of understanding. You are now in the most mysterious place in the cosmos, but this is only the beginning. There's no light here. You've passed the point of no return. Space is curving, falling inward. You're not just moving, space itself is. Inside, time doesn't flow. It twists, it stretches. To you, it feels normal. To the universe, you're frozen. There's no escape, no signal. You could fall forever, or reach something stranger. Ahead lies the singularity. The laws of physics break down. Time ends. What happens next? No one knows. But this is just the beginning. You're falling deeper now, closer to the singularity, the very heart of the black hole. Space bends sharper. Light is gone. Time is twisted into knots. Reality unravels. You can't feel motion anymore, because space itself is falling with you. The pull is relentless, stronger than any force you've ever known. And now, gravity begins to stretch your body, atom by atom, like cosmic spaghetti. Your molecules tear apart, atoms scatter. Even subatomic particles lose their structure. You're no longer matter in the traditional sense. Even time is fracturing around you. Seconds become meaningless. And yet, in this chaos, something remains. Awareness, memories flicker, a glimpse of stars, a face. Your body is gone, but something of you drifts onward. You're approaching the singularity, the edge of physics, the end of space-time, and maybe the beginning of something else. The singularity isn't a place, it's a breakdown of everything we know. Physics ends, equations stop working, but maybe this isn't the end. Some theories suggest the singularity could connect to another universe, a bridge, a tunnel, a wormhole. Maybe you don't die here, maybe you fall through. Time reverses, space stretches outward. You're not being crushed, you're being transformed. Particles realign. Gravity flips. A white hole, the opposite of a black hole, could form on the other side. Instead of pulling matter in, it explodes it outward. And if that's true, maybe our universe was born from one. Maybe this is how it all began. You've crossed the event horizon. Time begins to lose meaning. There's no past, no future, just a stretch of eternal now. Inside a black hole, time and space switch roles. Time becomes a direction, and the only way forward is deeper in. The further you fall, the less sense anything makes. Moments blend, memories distort. You can't tell what just happened, or what's about to. To the outside world, you fall in slowly, almost frozen in time. But to you, the universe rushes by. There's a point where even time can't continue, a wall of infinite compression, the singularity. Inside this darkness, time doesn't pass. Or maybe it's all happening at once. This is not death, this is something else. You've passed the event horizon, fallen through warped space, and approached the singularity. But what if that isn't the end? Some physicists believe black holes could be wormholes, tunnels through space-time, shortcuts to distant corners of the universe. or gates to entirely new ones. Inside, there might be a different cosmos, one with its own stars, its own time, even different physics. In this view, every black hole could be the birth of another universe, but not all theories offer hope. Others say there's nothing on the other side. No light, no space, only the collapse of reality itself. We can't send a message back. We can't see beyond the veil. No telescope, no signal, no probe could ever return. And maybe that's the point. Maybe some places in the universe were never meant to be understood. You've fallen into a black hole, and now you've reached the other side of understanding.